हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपका होस्ट एंड दोस्त अमित चक्रवर्ती यूट्यूब के नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। आज मैं अपने सारे रैंक शीट फ्री ऑनलाइन सर्टिफिकेशन इन जॉब्स साइट की सर्टिफिकेट के बारे में आपको बताऊंगा और अपने सारे सर्टिफिकेट भी आपको शेयर करूंगा। पहले मैं अपना रैंक शीट प्रोफाइल शेयर करना चाहूँगा। आई एम रैंक शीट सर्टिफाइड प्रोफेशनल, IT and ERP professional, skill set IT and ERP professional, industries platform IT software application programming oblique maintenance IT software ERP oblique CRM IT hardware networking oblique telecom oblique technical staff oblique support staff IT technical support role technical support engineer qualification NIIT A level qualifier। पहला सर्टिफिकेट है सर्टिफिकेट इन एंड्रॉयड फॉर यूजर्स। इट्स सिलेबस इज एंड्रॉयड बेसिक्स, एंड्रॉयड वर्जन्स, UI, फीचर्स, एप्लीकेशंस, सिक्योरिटी एंड प्राइवेसी, एडवांस कॉन्सेप्ट। नाउ दिस इज माय एंड्रॉयड रैंक शीट certificate. In this professional level 1 in Android for user and score 50 out of 100. My next certificate is certificate in computer technology basics. Its syllabus is popular computer terms, computer basics, internet basics, website and software, computer languages, system and network, commonly used applications, images, fonts, utilities, social networking, OS and browsers. Now this is my professional level 2 certificate in computer technology basic and scored 90 out of 100. Next certificate is certificate in Facebook. Its syllabus is Facebook basics, privacy settings, features, news feed, video calling, following and miscellaneous. This is my Facebook certification, professional level 1 in Facebook and scores 50 out of 100. My next certificate is certificate in Firefox. Its syllabus is browser basics, Firefox basics, advanced topics, platform availability, features, standard support, privacy and security, browser synchronization, shortcut keys, extension and add-ons. Now this is my professional level 1 Firefox certificate and scored 60 out of 100. My next certificate is certificate in iOS for users. Its syllabus is iOS basics, UI, features, applications, limitations, security and advanced concepts. This is my rank sheet certificate, professional level 1 in iOS for users and score 50 out of 100. My next certificate is certification in MS Excel 2007. Syllabus is Excel basics, basic operations, syntax, charts, file formats, formulas, question by example and limitations. This is my professional level 1 MS Excel 2007 certification and scored 70 out of 100. My next certificate is certificate in mobile technology basics. Syllabus is mobile technology basics. Now this is my certificate, professional level 1 in mobile technology basics and scored 70 out of 100. My next certificate is certificate in web technology basic and syllabus is internet basics, social networking, popular computer terms, smartphone and tablets, operating system, mobile operating systems, cloud computing, OS and browsers, and electronic gadgets. This is my professional level 2 web technology basic certificate and scored 70 out of 100. My next certificate is certificate in Windows XP. Its syllabus is basic, P requirement and limitations, installation, DHCP, ports, file system, commands, security and features. This is my professional level 1 in Windows XP certificate and scored 60 out of 100. My next certification is certificate in MS Word 2007 and syllabus is MS Word Basics, about MS Word, shortcuts, ribbons, charts, file formats, bulleting and numbering and clip arts. This is my MS Word 2007 professional level 1 certificate and scored 50 out of 100. So this is my 10 rank seat certificates which I have shared with you. I hope you like this and give me your comment. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.